Alright everyone, important updates from yesterday's video. Bitcoin's experiencing quite a move down here. We're going to go over the updated wave structure, the move that I am playing, the levels I am looking to long this from. As you guys know, I'm an Elliott wave trader. If you think Elliott wave doesn't work, hey, I'm here to tell you, you're just doing it wrong. Take the free boot camp in the free Discord, pin in the first comment down below. You will learn Elliott wave by taking that course, and you'll get a good overview of how I trade. Just pin in the first comment down below. And subscribe to the channel for daily Bitcoin updates, guys. As you know, these things change, especially when you're on the smaller time frames, so fast. Where liquidity comes in at dictates the price action, which dictates the wave structure, which dictates my trades. You got to be like water, people. You got to ebb and flow with the market. That's why we constantly update these charts. And check out the premium Discord. All right, now from yesterday's video, I was long on BTC. This is ETH on BTC. From right here, we were long and ended up closing out half of my trade up here at the highs. Over at the premium Discord, I did tell everyone I was closing 50% there, and we did close 50% and ended up closing the rest of my trade out in profit. So it was a good little Saturday trade. We'll take it all day, right? Now, why did I close? What was I looking at? I'm going to tell you. So as this wave progresses, we're going to hop over to the 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to go over the updated wave structure here for you. So a couple things. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. We'll draw this right back in a second. Now, could this be an impulsive leg to the downside for a flat? That's what I was hoping for, but there are issues with it. These corrections here are just too long in time for me. Is there anything breaking any rules here that it can't be too long in time? We could still come down for another wave. That can be our impulse, and then we can start hitting to the upside. No, there's nothing wrong with it, but probabilities state that this is probably something else. And I'm going to show you what I believe we're in the middle of right now. I did take a look at the heat maps. There's a bunch of liquidity down lower on all heat maps I looked at. Take it with a grain of salt. Do not trade solely based off the heat maps. I've seen liquidity left plenty of times, and they go in the opposite direction. It's not the end-all be-all, but it's definitely a good tool to have on your side. And I try to place the wave structure in accordance with where the most liquidity is going to get taken from these heat maps. Obviously, there's going to be stop losses in liquidity above trend lines, above or below lows, above highs. You know, those are not going to be shown on your liquidation heat maps, but you should know where those areas are as well. Now, what I'm seeing here, and what I said in yesterday's video, mass liquidations were coming, I see a lot of essentially choppy action coming to the BTC chart. And it's trying to put form to that choppy action. You know, that's what we're trying to do here and plan our trades around that. I love the chop, guys. I love trading the chop. So what I have conjured up here, and what looks good to me, is calling this right here a finished ABC to the upside. It hit the 1-to-1. The C leg hit the 1-to-1 of our A leg. That's a beautiful ABC. I will take that all day. Now we have an impulsive structure to the downside right here. That's my finished leg 1. Let me get rid of the circle. What we are in the middle of here is a correction of this. Do I think this is finished and we're going to start pushing to the downside? No, I do not. This is in the cards. I'm not going to say it can't happen. It definitely can happen. But how I am going to be playing this is a flat correction here, where we have a correction up. We have an impulse correct. We are finishing up this correction to the downside. Going to come down to the lows. I'm targeting 92K for this. Down in here, we can break this low, guys. There's nothing wrong with breaking the low at this point with this structure that I'm drawing for you. We can break this low, 91.9, and then we would look for an impulsive leg to the upside, look to take out the liquidity on this trend line, and really all it would be is a flat correction here, where we have a correction to the upside, a correction to the downside, an impulsive leg to the upside. All right, this is an expanded flat correction. And as this progresses, you know, we can draw trend-based fibs. You know, say it comes down to 92K, and you can have your targets up here. Would love to see this area come and tapped once we get this follow through. What I'm looking for here on this wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would love to see 5 waves put in here. That would be sexy. And I would really be longing that 5th wave to take it up in here. Would really be shorting this wave to take it down in here. And stick with me, guys, because I'm going to draw this structure in here, how it's going to play out, and then we're going to zoom out. I'm going to show you the big picture with this structure drawn in, what it means, because I do think all-time high is coming again. So stick with me. This is important stuff to get an overview of where I think the market's going. So we have our first ABC up. We have our second A. We are putting in a flat correction B into a C. And what is this? Hey, another flat correction down. We know BTC loves to flat, guys. You see me draw flats all the time. I wouldn't be doing this for other coins or stocks. You know, I just know BTC loves to do this. It puts in this structure time and time again. It's very predictable. That's why I love trading BTC. All right. So essentially this whole thing here now is going to be your flat correction of this leg to the downside. All right. We're just simply extending out a correction of this leg to the downside. Now, once this correction finishes, I'm looking to get a matching leg to the downside here. Something like so. It will get quite dumpy. If this plays out, it will get quite scary. But as we zoom out, I'm going to show you the big picture as to what I'm seeing here. So here is our correction that we're in the middle of. I'm looking to trade all freaking legs of this, make an absolute bag off of this price action, and hopefully hop in this short on this ride down. And I will be flipping long down here. I will tell you why in a second. Guys, if you do want access to the premium channels, all my alerts, all my trades, we do live streams, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts. My indicators are included. Click upgrade here in the free Discord. And I am running a 2025 New Year's special. All you have to do is be a premium member by January 10th. You need to be a premium member, and then the switch will get flipped January 10th. You will get $20 off for life starting January 10th if you are already a premium member. So sign up now, do not wait. This is going to be gone January 10th and back to the regular price. So if you're interested in trying premium, make 2025 an absolutely killer year. Also, guys, we do trade on Blowfin. They are no KYC. They're the best exchange out for no KYC. You can use them in all countries. Click the link pinned in the first comment down below and sign up with that exclusive link, and you will get their 2025 New Year's special. You get these initial deposit bonuses. Pause the screen, read it. These deposit bonuses are crazy. $450 for just a $1,000 deposit. Insane. You have till January 6th to capitalize on that. Do not miss that. All right. Now we can go to the big picture on BTC. Here we have our correction. we're gonna do this. I know there's a lot of ABCs here, guys. Stick with me. We're gonna make this one yellow. I'll do the super millennium, screw it. So that's the overall shape from all-time high that I want to see play out. Where this C leg comes down, I mean, shoot, it can come down to 80, 82, 85. This looks good in here. It looks real good. I think some consolidation is left to happen, and I want to trade the crap out of that. So let's zoom out to the daily time frame, and here we have our beautiful structure that we've drawn in here. Let me get rid of these freaking circles. It's annoying. Even more annoying. There we go. All right. I'm going to get rid of these. So we're just left with the ABC. All right. So from the Trump pump, what I am looking at this as a series of 1 2s, 1 2, 1 2, our big 3, 4 5. I want to see a series of 4 5s put in to finish this whole impulsive leg to the upside. This ABC, or this right here, I can consider being done. That's our wave 3. We're going to put in a series of 4 5s. I want to either match this one or this one. We can come up, tap all-time high again. We can even give it another little correction in here, put in another 1 2 3 4 5 like that. This consolidation is what I want to see before we have any type of serious move to the downside. I want to see some kind of leveling off up here, and I think something like this would be appropriate. So yes, when we dump down here, if we dump down here, I will be looking long back up to all-time high. I will not be holding this until 600K. I will most likely be exiting, looking for the next trades, because I'm predicting a wave 4 into a wave 5 yet again right over here. And then looking at the whole structure, we can, once we finish this, as you can see, this looks more like a finished 5-wave structure. It doesn't look quite finished quite yet. Doesn't look finished quite yet. We have a 1 2 1 2 1 2. This is a big consolidation. 3, I need a consolidation 4 5, right? We need exit liquidity to come in. We need the big boys getting out, and then we can correct on a bigger scale. How big this correction is, I'm not here to tell you that right now. That's for a future video. But this is the overall big picture that I am looking at. I will keep you guys updated on what happens tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Peace.